Hey folks, Mike King here, King Piers team. It's your daily update out here in Lee Summit, Missouri. We're at these duplexes. We have finished raising this first duplex. We have 6 King Piers in here, 3 along this wall, 2 along this wall, and then 1 over by the driveway. Now what I want to show you here is, if you can remember when we did our Facebook Live video the other day, before we actually did our raise, these brick here was separated. A large gap due to this footing here that had sunken. So we've done our raise. I'll get down in the hole and I'll show you exactly how much we've raised. So there's our King Pier right there. Here's our steel plate and then our steel shim. So that's about 4 inches worth of shims there that we actually raised. As you can see here, I'll get back out. That gap is totally closed now, and the only thing that's missing here is some mortar from the tuck pointing is actually chipped away, so we'll get in there and we'll tuck point that back. So that's actually raised, and you can see here the soil, the gap in the soil caused due to our lifting. So we told you that was going to happen, the soil was going to separate. So that's just another to show you that proved how much we lifted. And if you can remember here, this gap here, you could actually see into the basement there. It's closed up quite a bit, and we'll epoxy inject the rest of that crack to close it all up. You can see here steel plate, piers, shims all along here. The owners were very, very happy with how this turned out. Now I'll show you, go back down here, how much we close this gap on the garage door. You can see here the soil on this one separating due to how much we lifted. You can see here this gap is now totally closed. Before there was probably half-inch gap. Now it's pretty much completely closed. You can see there's about another 4.5 inches worth of shims there, so this lift went very, very nicely, right according to plan. So we'll come back here on Monday and we'll case all these piers in high strength concrete. So stay tuned for more updates. Visit our website, www.kingpiers.com. Visit our Facebook or YouTube channel to see current and past jobs. Just give us a call, 816-288-4373.